5 most popular mantras in the fitness industry that I don't really agree with. Number 5, no pain, no gain. You can definitely gain without the pain. Yes, you might have some days where you're sore, but chasing that pain is not the way to go. If you're not an athlete, there's no reason to chase the pain, especially if you're just doing this for everyday life. Number 4, you have no excuses. Don't let anyone ever tell you that you don't have your excuses. You have your reasons. No one's walking in your shoes. Your reasons are valid and you're gonna overcome them when you're ready. Number 3, eat less, move more. Eat more nutrient-dense foods. It's not just a matter of eating less. Food is not bad. Eat more of those nutrient-dense, yummy foods. Number 2, don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done. You should definitely stop if you're feeling too tired. Listen to your body always. If you're being consistent and you're showing up to the next workout and the one after that, you're gonna progress and you're gonna feel less and less tired as you go. If you push your body beyond its limits every single time, that could lead to burnout, to injury, and losing your interest in showing up. Consistency over intensity. And number 1, no days off. You definitely 100% need to take days off. That's how you recover, that's how you avoid injury and burnout. Take your rest days, don't feel bad about it. If that hustle mentality works for you, then great, but just know that there are other ways to approach your fitness journey.